Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What's up, guys? So we have a different kind of shoot today. Actually doing a video of a vehicle for a guy that we know. Haven't done this before. We're gonna try some cool stuff with lighting. We got this empty warehouse here, and we're gonna see what we can do. Is that a professional video
Cable? No, not at all.
We've got the Aperture 120D Mark II. Yep, right there with the light dome, version 1. I don't know if you can actually hear me when I'm talking behind the camera, but I'm doing it anyway. So hopefully you're getting some of this. Kyle's helping me get stuff set up. We got this crazy cool car. It's like, what was it? 1934. 1934 Chevy. Yep, what you said. Here, hold on, tell me what it is.
1934 Chevy Master Deluxe sedan.
1934 Chevy Master Deluxe sedan. It's pretty rad. So we're thinking we're getting to like golden hour time here pretty soon. So we're gonna shoot some outside, then we're gonna come in here to the warehouse when it gets dark and try to do some cool lighting effects with it. So let's do it. So I want to do a shot in the middle of the road. I just don't want my camera to get ran over. Yeah, fingers crossed. I might just stand there with it because he's less likely to hit me than a little camera sitting in the middle of the road. So I may just do that. You can just go down here a little bit, and I'm gonna have you drive like by me.
Okay.
Right,
You want me to go fast or no?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, watch for cars for me too.
Oh, I will. I'll try at least. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I got hit with some gravel. I don't know, I got hit with some little tiny rocks in my face. It's a totally normal thing just to lay down in the road while a car flies by you.
You gotta risk your body for the camera, right?
Little whip pan in there, we'll see if that worked. I didn't get hit with rocks that time, it might not have been as good. Actually, will you pull the car up just a little bit?
Is the car in the way?
So just got some sweet shots of the car, like golden hour time, and flew the drone around it and did some cool stuff. I sat in the back of the car with the camera on the gimbal while Kyle drove me around. Yeah, he only almost threw me out of the car a couple times. Was probably not the safest setup, but what are you, I don't know. What are you gonna do? Like, there's no seatbelt in the back, so we're just going
We're low
for
budget, all right?
This is a low budget production here, but we're doing what we can. Okay.
Still good looking quality.
So yeah, now we're heading back to the warehouse space that we got for tonight. The sun is going down, so we're just kind of waiting for it to get super dark. So yeah, we're just kind of winging it. See what happens. There we go. I can't see. Oh, I can see. Inception cameras. Yeah, that doesn't work. Golly. Yep.
Oh man, it's so good.
Been holding that gimbal so long, my hands are shaky.
Oh no.
Well, I mean, my hands are always shaky. So that's pretty much it. We're done shooting outside, inside, nighttime, and we're gonna go back, see what we got, see how it turns out. So thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Later.